What if you could mine coins just by watching ads? What if holding an NFT increased your mining speed? What if simply holding a token gave you passive income? This isn't a dream, it's the real-world model of SCOM, a next-generation Web3 coin making it all possible. C. First up, ad-based mobile mining. Users just open the app and watch short ads. Part of the ad revenue goes to the project team, but the rest, it's instantly rewarded to users as SCOM tokens. In simple terms, Web2 advertising revenue is now converted into Web3 token rewards. Tree. Second, the transaction tax reflection model. Every time SCOM is traded, a 5% transaction tax is applied. But that tax isn't wasted. Here's how it breaks down. 2% is automatically reflected back to SCOM holders. 1.5% strengthens the liquidity pool. 1% goes to the operations and marketing wallet. 0.5% is reserved for the AI and DAO fund. 3. That means price stability, passive income, and operational funding, all at once. C. Third, the NFT revenue model. SCOM's NFTs aren't just collectibles, they're functional assets. Holding an NFT gives you faster mining speed, staking bonuses, increased DAO voting power. 3. One NFT unlocks income potential, utility, and community influence. 5. And finally, AI-driven revenue optimization. SCOM uses AI to analyze user behavior, then recommends the best reward strategies and mining timings. In the future, this AI system will be offered as an external API, creating a B2B data revenue model as well. 6. More user rewards, more intelligent systems, more future growth. 3. 6. To sum it all up, SCOM isn't just a single feature. It's a connected system. Ad revenue, token reflections, NFT utility, AI intelligence, 4 powerful engines that drive one continuous revenue cycle. C. This is SCOM, a Web3 coin with purpose, philosophy, and sustainability. C. Web3 program to say, Web3 is no longer the future, it's the now. Ads and NFTs are no longer just content, they're income. SCOM is already making it happen. Learn more in the pinned comment or description. Don't miss it.